Got a new home or need some home decor inspo? Well, I got you because I'm your homegirl. The Family Command Center is my bread and butter of keeping my family together and on time and where we need to be. My dinner menu is essential for me to stay on budget, tell me what I'm buying for groceries, and it tells my family what we're having for dinner throughout the week. The cork board in the mail area is definitely a need in the command center. It keeps all of our very important appointments, keeps very important mail that we need to see that day, and of course it takes our keys and wallets and everything hanging and keeps everything in one spot. Adding some personal touches, of course, is essential. We have the T for our last name, and we have our spring photos of our babies, and it's interchangeable for every season. So for winter, we put winter pics. For Halloween, we put Halloween pics. I love that touch in the command center. And of course, what is a command center without a calendar? We have everything essential on this calendar. Doctor's appointments, my upcoming real estate appointments, anything that has to do with the kids or when family's coming over. Everyone knows to go here to check first to see what we're going on for that day, for the week, or for the month. And of course on the table you can add some more family pictures, a lamp, and a plant. And then on the bottom we have a box with all of our rolled blankets and purses and bags and everything else. And this is the command center. Definitely add it in your home, and I promise you your home will run way more smoothly. And until next time, for all your home needs, I'm your homegirl. Bye.